Okay.
K. Rangasamy College of Technology is keen on keeping the campus clean and digitally clean campus, and we have to put all our e-waste into the proper bin has been put in the IT park, and we have to deposit, not throw away. We have to deposit the e-waste, like whatever the usage you have in mouse or other things, you have to put in the e-waste bin to make our campus green campus, free from digital wastages. We have to put that in the bin as I put it. See, this is how you have to deposit into the e-waste. You should not throw, you have to deposit.